moon. In this module, you will learn the features of the moon and identify different shapes of the moon.
The prince rides his horse very bravely. He goes off very far to meet a friend. I must go to sleep now. It's quite late.
Hi, Sophie.
Huh? What is this? I have never seen something like this.
I am the moon.
Where have you come from?
I have come from the sky.
From the sky? Wow, that is wonderful.
Do you know that I can only be seen in the night?
Oh yes. The moon cannot be seen during the day.
Can you tell me how I look?
Your color is silvery white, but your shape, I can't tell.
I am the crescent moon today. I change my shape every day. Sometimes I become a full moon and I look like a ball. Sometimes I am a quarter moon and at the times I'm not there at all. Do you know that I have no light of my own? I reflect the light of the sun.
Okay, now I understand. You live in the sky. You can only be seen in the night. Will you be my friend, dear moon?
Yes, why not, Sophie? Let's be friends.
That would be nice.
Let's recap. The sky is different at night from what it looks like during daytime. We can see the moon in the night. The moon is silvery white in color. The shape of the moon changes every day. The moon does not have light of its own.